Hey everyone, today we are going to explore a cool feature in WordPress. Have you seen in many websites, at bottom right corner, a small chat window opens and says hi. When you reply, it keeps on asking you questions to guiding you. What is this and why it is helpful? That little helper is an AI chatbot. It's an automated agent. It connects the visitors instantly and collects the information and engaging them without leaving our website. So with this chatbot, visitors get instant answers. In WordPress, a popular plugin called Collect.chat. In this video, I'll show you how to install a chatbot, build a chatbot and connect the chatbot to our website. Let's learn a step by step.
First, I'm opening my website WordPress dashboard. I'm entering the admin ID and password. Here I'm going to logging in. See, now the dashboard is open. On the left side menu, click on plugins. Now click on add new. This will open the plugin installation page. In the search bar, type Collect.chat. Here you can see the Collect.chat chatbot plugin displayed. Now click on install now and then click activate. After activation, it will ask you to connect your Collect.chat account. If you already have an account, click login. If not, click sign up and create a free account using your email ID. Once you log in, Collect.chat automatically syncs with WordPress. See, start using Collect.chat window open. If you want the tutorial, you can go for next, or else you can skip tutorial. Dashboard is opened. See here, we have 5 tabs: design, questions, share, integrations and settings. In this, we mainly use design and questions. So for the design, we have position to place our chatbot to the left, center or right. If you press right, it will go to the right bottom corner. Now select the avatar, whatever you want. I am selecting this. I am going to questions. Here you can prepare your AI agent. See, first by default they give 2 questions here. What are you looking for and thank you for completing. But we want too many. So first we are taking a message text and editing with hi. Now click on save. Now go to the next question. It is asking that, it is showing that what are you looking for. Now click on this. See here, we have options as back button, skip button. Okay, but we are not using that. We have the options like basic, and we'll check it out in our website. See, in our website services, we have 3 options like basic, professional, luxury. So same here I am applying. So here I am writing basic, professional and luxury. I am clicking on save. Now the second one is prepared. Now go to third one. See here, third one, thank you for completing. Editing this one also. Here I am choosing thank you for choosing us. Will contact you soon. Our representative will contact you soon. See, I'm not using these options right now. I'm just going to save this. Now I'm taking text question and I'm writing as what is your name. Just correcting it. I'm clicking on save. Taking phone number, I'm editing this. May I know your contact? I'm not using these options right now. I'm just see if you enable this one, validate phone number, it asks for the verification. Now I'm not using these features. Now just I'm clicking on save. Now I'm framing the sequence because the structure is very important, right? So I'm framing here. First, hi, what is your name and may know your contact number please. I'm now asking about email. So I'm dragging email. See here all are drag and drop only. We no need to change or we don't need to write anything, just we can edit whatever we drag. Okay, now the sequence is good. What is your phone number, what is your email address, after that what are you looking for, and thank you for choosing it. So we click on save and we click on publish here. Go to our website, refresh it. But observe, we didn't get any AI chatbot here. Why? Why? Because see here, after creating a chatbot, after publishing it, it will give you a code. Okay. Now we have to copy this code and go to the WordPress dashboard and paste in chatbot snippet and click on save, so that our chatbot, whatever we created in Collect.chat website, that will be redirected to our website. So after save, now go to again our website and refresh it. Now see the chatbot came. See, it is saying hi and what is your name. When we reply, it again will ask the question. If you give the phone number, again it asks the question, because these questions are pre-generated, right? When we enter all the details, then it says, thank you for choosing us, we'll contact you soon, right? But here, see, thank you for choosing us, our representative will contact you soon. But we are getting create a page like this. Why? Because when we edit this button, you can see this one, button label, redirect button. See why this button is helpful means, if you want to connect any page to this chatbot, you have to give the link here. When you give the link here, it will be redirect to that page. Previously we didn't disable this one, so that is why we got that page link. So now we are disabling it. Now let's check it out. After saving and click on publish. Now copy the code and save it in your WordPress dashboard. Click on save. Now go to our website and refresh it. Now again enter the details. like with your name, email ID, phone number, and which option you want to. See here, it is asking each question. Now I am entering the email. It is asking for the options. I have chosen basic. Now see, there is no page link appear here. Thank you for choosing us. Our representative will contact you soon. If you want to see the results, means see, where we will get these leads means, see, go to Collect.chat dashboard and go to results. You can see the leads here. See, just now we have entered all these details. Now if you want to download these details, click on export CSV. Then this file will be downloaded. Now if you want to go for time page, you can go. If you want to go for date, according to date or according to week, you can do like the way you want. See here, this is our Collect.chatbot. So if you rename it, if you want to rename, you can rename it. Now if you want to create another chatbot for another website, you can click on new bot and go to, it will redirect it to the dashboard, and click on start from scratch and click on create. Again the chatbot window will be open with the 5 tabs. Again the same procedure will follow to create a chatbot. So that's it guys. This is the complete step-by-step guide on how to use the Collect.chat AI Chatbot plugin in WordPress. It's simple, powerful and very helpful for getting more leads and improving user engagement on your website.